everybody's talked about the technical skills of these guys. I'm going to talk about the heart and the character that they have. This was not really an AC issue, but it left me without AC because for some reason or another, and it wasn't because I didn't pay the bill, but for some reason or another, Entergy, because they messed up they were changing out the meters for something, and they went and just pulled my meter. So I had no electricity whatsoever in my house. Guess what? A 4:30 in the afternoon phone call to Kyle, we had electricity that night and air conditioning in the summertime. So, I mean, look, he goes above and beyond what is required. Again, being an electrician is not his specialty, but yet he had a client that was out of electricity, out of service. He made sure we were taken care of. To me, that's big. So I'll always go with him.